All right, I'm logged into LinkedIn as Teddy Burriss on my business account. Here's an account, Mr. NC Wiseman, who's second level to me. And if you look at more here, you can see I'm following this account. Now, if I go to NC Wiseman's account, you can see that he's second level to me. We're not connected. And look right here, he's following me. So, how do I get this account, Mr. NC Wiseman, to stop following me? Now, I can't log into his account based on the visual that you see right here, but I can only do this work from my account. Here's my account. Again, I'm logged in as Teddy Burriss. I'm looking at Mr. NC Wiseman. Now, I could stop following him, stop seeing posts from Mr. on your feed. Mr. won't be notified that you've unfollowed. I'm going to unfollow. Let's go look and see what he gets. I'm going to hit refresh just to clear it out. Here's Mr. NC Wiseman. Here's my account that he's looking at. And notice he's following me. Let me hit refresh. Now again, I stopped following this guy. I stopped being connected to him. I then stopped following Mr. NC Wiseman, but he is still following me. The only way, and even removing a LinkedIn connection does not stop them from following you. The only way you can stop someone from following you is to block them. You have to go to more, you have to go to report block. I'm not sure what's happening today on November 19th of 2023, but I don't have the ability to block a bunch of accounts. It might be because yesterday I blocked a bunch of them, which I'm a bit disappointed that I can't block more that should be blocked. But the bottom line is there'd be a block function here, and Mr. NC Wiseman would have to block me to force me to stop following him. If I go back to my account, here's my account, here's Mr. NC Wiseman. If I go to more, I want to go to report block. I don't have block. All I have is report. So the same thing on my account that he had on his account, I can't block him. But that is the only way to stop someone from seeing your account and following your account. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist and advisor. Hope this is helpful for you. Just block them. There's no harm, no foul in doing that if the block function is working as it should.